Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we will share some of the tips and tricks you can do on the Samsung Galaxy J7 and the J5, the 2016 variant. So we have both these devices, both run Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So we'll talk about the tips and tricks on one of those devices because both have the same software and UI, so they're same. So we'll keep the J5 aside. Now we'll talk about the J7, the tips and tricks you can do. So this comes with Samsung's touchwiz UI on top of Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Now we'll see some of the simple tips and tricks you can do on this device. So if you press and hold the home screen, we have these options. So we have wallpapers and widgets, they are self-explanatory. Then we have themes, so we can download additional themes, some of the themes included. Then if you want to browse more themes, you can create a Samsung account and download additional themes. There are lots of themes to download. You also have themes to purchase, so you can, if you have a Play Store account and a Samsung account, you can buy themes using the themes manager. So that's the good option available for customization. Now let's go here. You can see the screen grid size, so you can change the screen grid from 4 by 4 to 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. So that's the option. Now let's go to the notification center. So this is again a new notification center. This has been changed. The color has been changed. Now if you press here, we have this expanded notification control, and we have different toggles available. So almost 17 toggles are available, but at the same time only 10 of them are visible. So if you go here, you can see 10 of them only visible. So if you want to edit this, you can see there is an edit button. Once you click that, we have this edit mode, and you can just drag and rearrange different modes. And once you're done, you can click done, and this will be saved. Now what happens is, if you go here, now the edited ones are available here instead of the previously available ones. So that's how you edit the quick toggles. Now if you go to the settings, so here we have option to show quick toggles. I mean the quickly you can access some of the settings. So if you are frequently using some of the settings, what you can do is you can create a quick panel here. So here what you can do is you can add up to 9 quick toggles. Say for example, we'll add smart manager, then we'll go to NFC and payments, and then one more we'll select advanced features. So we'll go here. Now you can see here 9 of them are added, so it allows you to select 9 panels. So these are the most frequently used settings, so you don't have to scroll here and go searching for some of the settings. So these settings can be quickly accessed. And next up, if you go down, you can see the smart manager. So smart manager we have reviewed in our previous Samsung device as well. So there are 4 or 5 options. First is the battery. So here we have the power saving mode and ultra power saving mode. So this will help you get better battery life. So here you can see you can turn on the battery saving mode and ultra battery saving mode. Ultra battery saving mode will be in grayscale. It will help you get a lot of battery improvement, unlike the power saving mode. The ultra battery saving mode is in grayscale mode, and only basic features are available. So you can also see the battery usage and see what all apps are taking up the battery, and cross check if there is any app which is taking up huge battery. You can also show the battery percentage on the status bar using this option. So next up, we have the storage manager. We can delete unnecessary data and also user data from here, and also see how much storage is occupied by each of the apps. So next up, we have the RAM. So here again you can see the apps and other option settings taking up the RAM. You can see here settings is taking up 44 MB, messages, my Galaxy contacts, all those things are taking up some memory. And if you click end all, you can see that cleaning the RAM, and this will clean up RAM and improve the amount of RAM available. So previously it was less than 20% available. Now we have almost close to 1 GB available, 50% is available. So that's how you improve the RAM. And then we have this device security, that is scanning and antivirus options. Then you also have the ultra data saving mode. So if you select this, you get you save on data usage on this device. So those are the options available in the quick settings, I mean the smart manager. Then if you go to the display, we have some options called outdoor mode. So this phone does not come with ambient light sensor, so instead what you can do is you can just turn this on. What happens is the screen brightness will be increased, and this will be available for 15 minutes. And if you're going outside, you need to enable this brightness mode, because unless you do that, you will not be able to read the phone, I mean read from the phone, because the display will not be that bright. And there is also adaptive brightness. You can see you can go for the display colors: adaptive display, AMOLED, cinema, AMOLED, photo, and basic. So based on whichever colors you feel is good, you can select that, and that will be set as the color mode. Then you can also see the icon backgrounds. You can see only backgrounds, or you want to show only the icons, so that can be selected from here. That's part of the customization options. Now let's go to the advanced features. So here we have the one-handed mode. So this phone has a 5.5-inch device, so if you want one-handed mode, you can see there is a one-handed mode which reduces the screen size. You can turn it on. And there's also one-handed input mode. That means the keyboard will be reduced to smaller size for typing it with one hand. So you can turn this on from here. And you can also see that one-handed input mode, as we said before, this keyboard keypad will be turned to smaller version, so that it helps in using the device much easily. So if you want to turn on the one-handed mode, you can do that by quickly pressing the home button 3 times. We'll just show you. We'll just go to the home button. So that's a one-handed mode, and you can see this is available only for a smaller display, and you can quickly use it with one hand instead of using the full 5.5-inch display. So you can just return back to full screen from there. So that's the advanced features, one-handed mode. Then there is also quick camera launch, open camera by pressing the home key twice in quick succession. So that is available. You can just turn this on. So if you want to take a photo, you can just quickly turn this on, and the camera will be opened. So that's one useful feature, to quickly open the camera. If you want to take a quick snap, this is one good option. Then there is smart alert. So what it happens is your device will vibrate when you pick up pick up to notify you about missed calls and messages. So if you are not using the device and some missed call happens, if you take up the device, it will vibrate to show that there are missed calls and messages waiting for you. That's smart alert. Then easy mute, we have already seen on many devices. Mute incoming calls and alarm by turning the device over. That means if you flip the device, it will turn off the incoming call and alarms easily. So that's another option under the advanced settings. Now another option here is the easy mode. So easy mode, you can see the standard mode we already talked about. Now easy mode, what happens is your device will be more easily usable, and with a simpler home screen layout and straightforward application interactions. And the font size will be larger, and you can select the apps which you want in the easy mode. So if you just select here, you can see you can select the apps. Only these apps are available. So basic apps are only available. So this is pretty useful for elderly people. If you feel the Android being a bit more complex for elderly people, you can just always go to easy mode with the minimalistic UI and only basic apps running. So that's the easy mode, pretty useful stuff, and it is pretty useful for elderly people. Then we have the battery manager. As we said before, you can go to power saving and ultra power saving mode. And in the home screen, one more other simpler customization you can do is if you click a group icon, you can see a folder where you have added multiple apps. So if you just click here, you can change the background here. There is a small icon here where you can change the background, and you can see that there are only few colors available, but still you can do a bit of customization. And once you change the background, you can see the background color for the folder will also change. So these were some of the simple tips and tricks you can try on the Samsung Galaxy J5 the 2016 variant, and also J7 2016 variant, both running with Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So that's all guys. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.